2018 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, roof rack, speed control. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.